Hey friends, welcome to snowy Colorado, where it got really cold last night, which means this older 2010 Toyota Tacoma had a difficult time starting. You could definitely tell the battery was struggling. In fact, some of our vehicles wouldn't even turn over. This is a portable jumper made by Auto1, and it solves that need for jumper cables and an additional vehicle. You can actually jumpstart your car anywhere, including on the road, if you run into an emergency situation like this. Now, this specific Auto1 jump starter actually includes an air compressor, meaning you can top off your tires in case they're a little bit low. Okay, here's a look at our jump starting device. It's just this little battery block here. We have some buttons and a screen on top. It comes with this quick guide, this case. Here's your little cables that you'll need to connect the jumper to your battery. Again, we're underneath the hood of my Tacoma here. It also comes with the air compressor hose, as well as a cable to recharge this battery pack. Okay, so we're gonna grab our jumper battery here. We're gonna grab our cables, and then on the side of the jumper, you'll see a little flap here. We'll push that in there, and then you're gonna see a little flashing green light, and then we need to have it be a continual green light, which means all the connections are correct and we're ready to start the engine. So to do that, we're actually going to put our jumpers directly onto our terminals. So the way my battery is situated is I have my positive cable over here, and then I've got my negative over on this side. Okay, with those two connected, you can see the solid green light is on. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the power button on here. We've got about 3/4 to 50% power. I'm just gonna set that there, and we're ready to start our engine. Now again, this jumper also has that air compressor where you can use it to fill up, or more importantly, top off your tires. So you really don't want to use this for a full fill up. It'd waste way too much battery. But what we can do is we can grab our little attachment hose that's included. There's a little slot on this side where we can just thread that in. We'll then connect it up to our nozzle here on our tires. We'll turn the power on. And at this point, we actually have to select the PSI that we want. In this case, our tires are at 33 PSI cold here. And you can find that information usually on the inside of your front door panel. Once we have it locked in, I'm gonna go ahead and hit the power button again. You can hear it starts right up. Now, one of the best parts about this is that when it reaches the correct PSI, it automatically shuts off, so you don't have to sit here monitoring things. Love that feature. The other thing I will mention is, again, it does have that flashlight. You can see there's multiple functions. Once it's turned on, you have a little button over here that you can cycle through, and you can get a steady light. You can get a flashing light. This can be great if you want to put on the back of your vehicle or on a road. Just gives people indication that there is a hazard on the side of the road. So maybe they're keeping a closer eye out for you. If you do need to recharge, you can see we've got a Type-C USB over here, again with the included cable. This also serves as a battery pack if you need to charge your phones or anything like that. So there you go, friends. That's the Auto1 Power Jump Starter with air compressor. I really, really like these. Really enjoy this one. I think it works great. Definitely a huge thumbs up from us. I highly suggest having one of these in your vehicle at all times. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can actually find it right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick it up for yourself. And then stay tuned. We have a ton of these DIY review videos, instructional videos, both dealing with Toyotas as well as all sorts of other projects to help make your life a little easier. Subscribe and we'll see you again on the next one.